Aray! Custom thumbnail. So, custom meaning kino-customize natin yung thumbnail. Yung image size and resolution ng isang thumbnail sa YouTube, ito po yung detalye niyan. 1280 by 720. So, standard po yan. Pixels with minimum width of 640 pixels. Ang tatandaan nyo lang lagi dyan is kung nag-edit kayo sa computer, yan lagi ang settings. Meron namang gumagawa ng thumbnail, no? Thumbnail maker. Yun, madali yan. Nakaset na yung yun, no? Noah Aleph Official, shoutout sa iyo. Ayan. So, next, yung image na kailangan mong ilagay doon, dapat naka-format siya sa JPEG, GIF, at PNG. Remain under 2 MB yung limit. Use a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Ano ba yung thumbnail policies? All custom thumbnails and images must follow community guidelines. Ano ba yung guidelines na yan? Number 1, nudity or sexually provocative content. Next, hate speech. Number 3, yung violence. Number 4 is harmful or dangerous content. Repeat offenses may lead to removal of custom thumbnails. Privileges for 30 days. Even account termination. May custom thumbnail limits na siya. There's a limit on how many custom thumbnails a channel can upload each day. You get an error saying daily custom thumbnail limit reached when trying to upload a thumbnail. Maghintay ka ng 24 hours. Limits may vary sa country or region channel history. I suggest mga kaibigang Juan, KNJ Youtube tip, pag-isipan nyo maigi yung thumbnail nyo bago nyo gawin. Copyright strikes may impact the channel history eligibility. Community guidelines strikes will affect how many thumbnails you can upload. Yung custom thumbnail na-go off because YouTube may turn off custom thumbnails for certain search results when they are considered inappropriate to viewers. Ganun po yung aking gustong i-share ngayon.